It is turkey time, and for veggie lovers, that means it's tofurkey time. It all starts with this, a big vat of tofu puree. Mix in wheat, canola oil, water, and savory seasonings, and it becomes masa. Get it to about 90 degrees. After about 15 minutes, and it's ready to be plopped into a tote for stuffing. The masa goes up and goes into a hopper. Inside a second hopper, a wild rice and breadcrumb stuffing.
These two ingredients are extruded through a tunnel, basically forming an outer layer of our masa with an internal layer of our stuffing.
It all goes into this casing, which is clipped on both sides, rolls down a conveyor line, gets inspected, then goes on a rack for the oven.
It cooks for approximately 4 hours at about 298 degrees, and then we'll open the oven, take the product out to begin the cooling process. It'll go inside of the freezer for a minimum of 8 hours until it reaches the proper temperature where it's then ready for packaging.
But there's one last step. The roasts get a ride through an X-ray for food safety, looking for any foreign objects.
The product is delivered to our hand packing line. Today we're running our roast with gravy. So they're taking gravy packets and our 26-ounce roast, hand placing them into pre-printed cartons. They're then closing the cartons, sealing the cartons. Our biggest sales are Easter, and then as we get ready for Thanksgiving. So a couple months prior to Thanksgiving starting, we really start upping the production even more for our roast line. We can run approximately 6,000 of these cartons every shift, and each of our 10-hour shifts on our hand packing line.
Those tofurkeys land on a shipping pallet, then go into cold storage, before hitting the road, to end up here on cutting boards and holiday plates.